In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enter a trade on TradingView. By the end, you'll connect a live broker or paper trading account, open the order panel, set your order details with take profit and stop loss, and place a trade that appears on your chart. First, connect a broker or account. At the bottom of the TradingView screen, open the trading panel. From the list, select your broker or choose paper trading. If you want to practice with virtual funds, then click Connect. If a sign-in window appears, log in and authorize the connection. Once connected, you'll see your account status at the bottom, confirming you're ready to trade. Next, open the order panel. In the top left corner of the chart, click the Buy or Sell buttons to bring up the panel. If you prefer, right-click anywhere on the chart, go to Trade, and select Create New Order. The order ticket will appear with fields for side, type, quantity, and risk settings. Now configure the order details. For side, choose Buy if you want to go long, or Sell if you want to go short. For type, choose Market for immediate execution at the current available price. Limit to specify a price you want or better, or stop to trigger the order once price reaches your chosen stop level. In units or quantity, type the amount you want to trade. Double-check this value so the position size matches your plan. Set your risk management. Toggle. Take profit and stop loss on. You can enter specific price levels, percentages, or dollar amounts. Use prices that align with your strategy. For example, a realistic target for take profit and a protective level for stop loss that limits your downside. Setting these now places your exits with the order so they're applied automatically once the trade is live. Place the trade. Click the Buy or Sell button on the order ticket to execute. After it's placed, your entry, take profit, and stop loss levels will appear directly on the chart. You'll also see the position and order markers, confirming the trade is active with the risk settings you specified. That's it. You've entered a trade on TradingView, complete with take profit and stop loss, and it's now visible and managed on your chart. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.